이 두 분은 약간 요걸 사이에 두고 그러면 우리 동수가 가운데입니다.
Hello, beautiful people from Dongdaemun. Something is going on behind me. There was music, now there's people talking. Let's go check it out. Vamos. Keeps going, guys, keeps going. Some sort of a live concert. Going on for a while now. Must be some folkloristic concert music. Actually very danceable. Keeps going and going. Hit it, hit it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Don't stop now. Don't stop. Okay, stop, I guess. Okay.
딱 일어나서 같이 일어나서 주르륵 트자.
And that was your daily dose of noise pollution in Seoul. That's gonna be it for this time. And I shall see you on the next video.